Okay class, now we proceed on 5.2 improper integrals. Okay, in this video I will talk about improper integrals. Okay, before we proceed to improper integrals, let us recall about the type of integrals. Okay, the integrals are divided by two types. First type we call indefinite integrals. For this type, what I can say is when you integrate fx without limit, okay, this one we call without limit. So when you integrate, you will get, let's say, capital Fx plus c. Okay, the second one is definite integral. Okay, for definite integral means that the integration with limit. Okay, let's say integrate from a to b. Integrate fx dx. Integrate fx from a to b. You will get, let's say, capital Fx without c. So you have two types. So in this topic, we will talk about the definite integral. Okay, see here, for improper integrals. Okay, definite integral for improper integral. So, for definite integral, we have integrate fx with respect to x from a to b. And then this integral is known as improper integral if two types, okay, one or both limits are infinite. Okay, the first type we call type 1. Okay, one or both limits are infinite. Okay, for example, one limit are infinite. So, one limit infinite, one limit infinite. Okay, let's say you have a to infinity fx dx. Okay, you see this is infinity, so one limit infinite. Or you have negative infinity to b fx dx. You see this is negative infinity, so one limit infinite. Or you have one more is both limits are infinite. Okay, both limits infinite. Okay, which is from negative infinity to infinity. Integrate fx with respect to dx. So this one we call type 1. Okay, the second type of improper integral is fx is undefined at certain points on its interval. Okay, although the integration looks normal like a to b fx dx, but let's say if you substitute fa, you get infinity. So this one we call undefined at certain point. So undefined at x equal to a. So let's say this point is x equal to a, and then this one is undefined. So this is second type of improper integral. Okay, for example, you have 0 to 2 and then integrate 1 over x minus 2 dx. So you check the limit. Okay, the first one, let's say f0. So you get 0 minus 2, you get negative 0.5. Okay, and then how about f2? You get 1 over 2 minus 2 is 1 over 0. So you get infinity. So this one is undefined. So we call improper integral types 2. Okay, this one is type 2.